Somehow we get tons of questions, maybe hundreds, maybe thousands, where people are just not able to make up their mind in terms of where should they actually buy their apartment. Sometimes, of course, it's their jobs, etc., which will determine it. But give us a sense, what are the basic parameters for deciding what location should I go for when I'm buying property?
You know, Manisha, choosing your location or where you make a purchase is actually a fine art, and it's the most important part of making your decision. So very often people refer to the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. Our view is that you should actually look at what the future good locations are going to be and not current locations. People always get confused between, but the best locations are the most expensive, I can't afford them, what do I do now? And the correct way to do this is that look at a plan which is a master plan for a region and look at where the roads are sanctioned but not yet built. And those areas which you know will be the future hot locations is where you should actually look to make your investments. Today it's very easy to examine a master plan, very easy to correlate it with where projects are coming up, and main sector roads in a lot of areas are the areas around which maximum projects get announced. You can be cleverer than the market by making sure you make an investment before the road actually comes up.
But there is this whole sense that, you know, if you're going to use it for living, then you need to have the physical infrastructure in place, you need to have the social infrastructure in place, and those things become extremely important. So does it always work out to look at a very futuristic location? What if I need to move in the next 1 or 2 years or 3 years?
So a couple of things. First of all, you will find that infrastructure develops very fast the moment real estate projects get announced. You will find that there is suddenly a barren field, and when the project starts getting built, suddenly all kinds of infrastructure comes up around it. Okay. That's one. Second of all, you'll also find that wherever projects are announced, there is usually immediate announcement of other big projects in terms of the actual overall population in that area goes up dramatically. So you can pretty be rest assured that you're not going to be abandoned in that area. The roads will come, the infrastructure will come. So it's quite comfortable.
The hospitals will get announced,
all of that
the markets and the commercial areas will get announced.
So that becomes very important. And for the point you mentioned about not having enough ecosystem of development around it, never will you find a lag of more than a year or two. And in any case, the projects will take a year or two to come up. So if you make a purchase today and the sector road has not yet come, you know that by the time your project gets delivered to you, the road will be there and the infrastructure will be there as well.
In terms of distances from work, the travel time to work, is that critical as well, Samar?
So, you know, I think that's a very important factor and one must not trivialize that. My view is that you must always look at practicalities of living while also looking at the financial aspects of it. And my view would be that you must buy where your place of work is or close to where your children's school are, because these are the 2 anchor points which dictate your entire commute times, children's school time and actually your work location. So these are very important points to consider when you make a purchase, and they can almost equal or override the financial considerations. Also, all these areas you mentioned now have enough development in the same catchment area. Right. So you don't have to actually travel across the city, because wherever your place of work may be, there is enough development and enough projects being announced in that vicinity. So a little extra work, a little extra research, a little patience, maybe you give yourself a 6-month window to make a purchase, you'll definitely find something which is closer by to where you're working.
So you're saying that even if you need to pay up a little bit more, do look at your place of work and the comfort that you will have in terms of travel time before you take that final decision.
Yes.
Samar, thanks very much. Interesting. Like you said, real estate is all about location, location, location.